Welcome! Today we'll be discussing the basic building blocks of music, half steps and whole steps. So what is a half step and why does it matter? Well, there are a lot of things that we can say to describe a half step. For one, a half step is the musical term for the smallest unit of change or measurement that there is with regards to pitch or frequency. A half step is either a position or location, or a distance. Every note can be considered a position or location on an instrument, and as such, is its own half step. When we move from one note or frequency to the next closest note, up or down, we can say that we moved a distance of one half step, from one position or location to another. I will start on this note and move up by half steps until I have covered a distance of 4 half steps. Then I will move down until I return to the note I started on. Here is that same distance, now moving by whole steps. I will now start on the same note that I chose on the piano, and move up a half step at a time, again covering a distance of 4 half steps. Now I'll move back down to the note I started on. Here is that same distance, now moving by whole steps. It is important to remember that the notes or frequencies that I've played are the same regardless of whether I played them on the guitar or piano. It is only a matter of knowing where and how to find them and how to move around on your specific instrument of choice. Every note can be considered a position or location on an instrument, and as such, is its own half step. We've covered half steps and whole steps, but not the language that we often use to represent them. Distances of 1 to 12 half steps all have a unique name associated with them. Those names are mere symbols, a shorthand way of communicating the distances and relationships between notes. We call them intervals. For more on intervals, continue to the next video in the series. What is an interval? And thanks for watching.